if you live in Indiana and have not had, matter of fact, fuck if you live in Indiana. If you've even been remotely close to the state of Indiana and have not had Long's Donuts, I'm gonna tell you, you fucking up. Alright. Forget what you heard about Krispy Kreme or any other thing that could possibly exist on this planet. They're known for just a classic yeast. Ah, fuck this shit. Drop the gold. I'm trying to show y'all niggas. Look at this. Known for the yeast donuts, but everything else is amazing too. Now, if their yeast donut is one of the best things they got, and that's just a basic ass donut, I'm sure y'all can imagine how good these are, right? No. You really can't. There is no imagining how good these are until you've actually had them. When I tell you, it's easy like Sunday morning. Half the donut. One bite every time. It's the only way to eat them. Sunday morning. Good luck, but honestly, I had to savor this bite. I could have just, yeah. Stop fucking point, bro. I'm gonna eat all 6 of well, 5, because I just ate, number 6. 5 more to go. These are all mine. Fuck you talking about? I pulled up. I was about to share with some of these people. You see how many motherfuckers that is? I was trying to be nice. Hell no. Yeah. I'm gonna be selfish here. It's okay. I ain't really been doing much for me anyways. I've been busy. I've been working hard. I deserve it. You know what I'm saying? I'm in shape. We cool. I can afford a bigger back. We're gonna take this one. Because one person out there try one of these, I'm gonna die. Because I ain't bringing enough for everybody.